2, 1, action. Hey guys, it's me, Faith, and I'm gonna try to play with slime. And this is my slime routine. Yay. Let's get to it. So, we're back at the place. We had to go somewhere real quick. So now, the first thing is you need some slime. Yellow slime for me. Yellow slime. Let's open it. Ugh. Okay. I opened it. Let's just take it out. Take it out, right? And you have to make it flattened. You can use your hand, a box, or a knife. I'm going to be using a box. So I got 2 boxes right in front of, under you, right under you. So I'm going to take one box, and it's going to be this box. It's bunny chocolate. Bunny chocolate. And now I just need to flatten it by pushing this down. There we go. So now after I flatten it, I'm going to play with it. Now I'm done with my yellow. So now I'm going to play. Look, stop. This is my little brother. I'm going to play with blue. Blue is my favorite color.